Welcome back sa ating channel mga bossing, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Sumisid tayo sa isang nakakapanabik na showdown sa mundo ng boxing. Janriel Casimero versus Saul Sanchez. Ang dalawang matitinding manlalaro sa larangan na handang magsagupa. Ito ay nangangako na magiging magandang bakbakan ngayong paparating na ika-13 sa buwan na Oktubre, ngayong taong 2024. Una sa lahat ang ating pambatong si Janriel Casimero, isang 3-weight world champion na kilala sa kanya explosive power at walang humpay na estilo ng pakikipaglaban. Mula sa Pilipinas, ipinagmamalaki ni Casimero ang isang professional na kartada na 33 panalo, may 4 na talo, may 1 tabla at 22 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Ang kanyang talino at bilis sa pagsalakay, bitbit ang nakakawindang na pagsabog, ay nagiging sanhi ito para maisipan siyang mapanganib na kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Ngunit mga bossing, wika ng ilan nating kababayang mahihilig sa sports ng boxing, tila humihina na umano ang hangin nitong ating pambato. Hinihingal na umano ito. Sa tingin nila ay mahihirapan na itong tumagal sa 12 rounds. Katulad na lang noong huling laban nito kung saan ay nakaharap nito ang former IBF World Super Bantamweight Champion na si Yukinori Ugoni. Kitang kita sa laban nila na naghahabol na nga ng paghinga itong si Casimero pagkatapos ng bawat bakbakan sa early rounds, at nawala na ang pagiging agresibo ng angas ng Pinas dahil puro yakap na lang ito. Pero ang masasabi ko dito mga bossing ay tama lang ang diskarte ni Casimero na yumayakap para mas mapatagal pa nito ang kanyang hangin sa laban. Ibinuhos kasi kaagad nito ang kanyang lakas nung nakita ito ng kalaban sa kanyang harapan. Animoy nagmistulang gutom na tigre itong si Casimero mga bossing. Ikaw ba naman ay matagal-tagal nang hindi napalaban? Sa kabilang sulok naman tayo mga bossing, may kita nyo ang isa sa mga rising star ng Amerika sa larangan ng boxing na si Saul Sanchez. Sa 27 taong gulang pa lamang, may kartada na itong 21 panalo, may 3 talo at 12 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Kilala si Sanchez sa kanyang technical na kasanayan at madiskarting galawan sa ibabaw ng lona. Ang kanyang kakayahang umangkop at kontrahin ng kanyang mga kalaban ay ginagawa siyang isang mabigat na hamon laban sa ating batikan nating pambato, katulad ni Cuadro Alas Casimero. Tumatak ang pangalan nito noong nakaharap nito ang pambato ng bansang Australia na si Jason Moloney noong unang buwan nitong taong 2024. Pinaglalabanan nila ang titulong WBO World Bantamweight sa Centre Videotron, Quebec City sa Canada. Ngunit hindi ito pinalad sa laban. Natalo ito via majority decision. Makalipas ang 6 na buwan, nakaharap nito ang ating pambato na tubong Bago City Negros Occidental na si Arthur Villanueva. Nanalo si Saul Sanchez via unanimous decision. May taglay na lakas at angking galing ang 27 taong gulang na Amerikanong ito mga bossing. Kaya wag sana itong maliitin ng 35 taong gulang natin pambato na si Casimero. Halika't balikan muna natin mga boss ang highlights ng laban ng dalawang mandirigmang ito.
Sağ koşa süper. Müthiş bir sağ koşa ve bir sol koşa, inanılmaz bir sol koşa ve İngiliz boksör ayağa kaldırıyor.
Casimero acımasız bir adam. İşte bakın.
Definitely the case that also first time 14 years old nagsimula ngayon. Whoa! Solid right now. That hurts Yamasita. They pounce him again.
Casimiro sensing an opening here. Holds, step back. Oh, great shot. That whacks the head of Yamashita.
There's coming in. Casimiro is extending.
Oh! Upper cut on the money. And another left hook. And a right straight. And a left hook.
Coming here in this round number 3.
Uwi na tayo. Oh! Casimiro with another
And he has been eating against Jandriel Casimiro.
saying goodbye. And again, Casimiro. Wabag hangin. Pahataw! No?
Another nice uppercut. Uh-oh.
Wala na.
Yep.
Wala na.
Yun
I'll
na.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.